Welcome to our Hardways Bet Guide. This video is part of the Craps Academy series by pro craps player Bill Collins. Hardways refers to a bet that a pair of 2s, 3s, 4s or 5s will be rolled before a 7 or the easy way of the same number. The easy way means rolling the number you bet on, but not as a pair. For example, the hard 8 bet can be won only if the dice roll is 4-4. You lose if you roll the easy ways, 3-5 or 2-6, or a 7 before the pair. Remember, the hardways bets stay on until won, lost, or taken down. In online craps, placing a hardways bet is as easy as clicking on the hardways section and selecting your desired number. When you're at a land-based casino, you can make the bet by tossing your chips close to the center of the table and saying $10 hardways on 8. The stickman will then move your chips to the right spot for you. Now you're all set. Hard 4 and hard 10 pay 7-1, while hard 6 and hard 8 pay 9-1. Keep in mind that the house edge is high, so be cautious with your bets. Here are Bill's top recommendations for making the most of the bet. Hardways bets are high risk, high reward. To maximize your chances, incorporate them into a larger betting strategy, such as the hardways set, and always set a limit on your spending. If you get nervous about hardway bets that haven't hit, you can remove them or reduce them at any time before the dice go to the shooter for his next roll. Most importantly, have fun. That's about it. You're now ready to tackle hardways bets in craps.